Let's look at this question now. In a race of 600 meters, Chanchal should give Kamal a head start of 15 seconds and Kamal should give Nutan a head start of 25 seconds. If each pair mentioned above want to finish the race together, what is the speed of Chanchal if the difference between speeds of Chanchal and Nutan is 4 meter per second? Okay, so first of all, let me write the speed of Chanchal, right? Speeds. Let me write the speeds of these three. So speed of these three, Chanchal, it would be C. And for Nutan, it is N, right? And for Kamal, it is K, right? This is speed. And I'm assuming that this track length is equal to L, right? So track length is 600 meters, right? Race is 600 meters. Now, Chanchal should give Kamal a head start of 15 seconds. What does it mean? That if this is the racetrack, so Chanchal would start from here and Kamal would start after running 15 after running for 15 seconds. Chanchal will start after 15 seconds after Kamal, right? So this is the scenario. Now they will end up together, right? This race will end in a dead heat. Now, second case is Kamal should give Nutan a head start of 25. So Kamal should give Nutan a head start of 25 seconds, right? And then they would end up finishing together. Now, we have to find the speed of Chanchal if the difference between the speed of Chanchal Nutan is 4 meters per second. So C minus N is given as 4. C minus N is given as 4. This is 4. Or you can say that C is equal to 4 plus N. So if the speed of Nutan is N, Chanchal's speed would be Nutan plus 4, right? Kamal's speed is K. Now we need to find the speed of Chanchal. Okay, then. Common thing is Kamal. So we need to replace some values related to Kamal in these two situations. Okay. So first of all, the difference between the timings of these two is 15 seconds. For example, the time taken by Kamal, or let's say Chanchal takes, yeah, you can write it as the time taken by Chanchal and Kamal to travel this distance would be equal. So that is equal to this is the track length, divide by C would be the time taken by Chanchal, right? Time taken by Chanchal. Now this time plus 15 would be equal to the time taken by Kamal, and in this case, in second scenario, time taken by Kamal plus 25 second would be the time taken by Nutan, right? So the time taken by Kamal, L by K, would be equal to time taken by Nutan minus 25. Now we can replace this. So it is equal to time taken by Nutan minus 25, right? So I can take this 25 to other side. I'm left with 40 is equal to time taken by Nutan minus time taken by Chanchal. Now the speed of Chanchal I know is N plus 4. So it would be 40. I can take L common. I'm left with 1 upon N minus 1 upon N plus 4. Correct? Now L I know is 600 meters. So it would be 40 upon 600. And that is equal to N plus 4 minus N upon N plus 4. N plus 4. Taking LCM, I'm here. Now, this would be 4. I can cancel it out 10 times and I can cancel it out 60, right? So I'm getting N into N plus 4. N into N plus 4 is equal to 60. So I need to search for the factors of 60 such that their difference is 4 and their product is 60. So 10 and 6, they differ by 4, right? So the value of N would be 6. so that n plus 4 becomes 10. So the speed of Newton is 6 meters per second. So the speed of Chanchal would be 6 plus 4 is 10 meters per second. And we need to find what is the speed of Chanchal. Chanchal's speed would be 10 meters per second.